Okay, a lot of people asked me about the green onions they saw growing in the last video. You know, when we planted out that lettuce you see back there. So, it's pretty easy. Lots of people grow green onions. There is one trick though that you need to know. You can see right here, we have the net cup, and you want to keep the bulb out of the nutrient solution. Just let the roots dangle in it. As the roots grow and the nutrient solution evaporates, just keep about 1 or 2 inches in the bottom. When you start out, have the nutrient solution touch the bottom of the net cup, right where the roots of the green onion are, but not cover the bulb. And that's it, and don't let it fill up. If you leave it in the rain and it floods, your bulbs will rot. So you might want to drill a hole so that it doesn't overflow if you're going to leave it out. If you leave it inside, by a window, or under some lights, you can control the nutrient level. Easy as pie. And you always have green onions hang around. These are the same green onions you buy in the grocery store. You know, we bought them once, cut them, ate those, and then took the little bulbs, stuck them in the net cups. Just use a pool noodle to hold them up straight. No hydrogen. Couldn't be easier. Alright, so we've got green onions, we've got our romaine going. Got a little broccoli here we're experimenting with. We're going to eat the greens. And the NFT system, right now we've just got some collards, a little basil, and the strawberries that survived the squirrel attack. You can see if we can overwinter these. But we're going to be planting out a lot more in coming weeks. And of course our pak choi and our lettuce, we're doing just fine. Haven't done anything to this since we planted it out. And that'll be in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Alright, don't forget, live to inspire. Keep on growing.